Pump disassembly. Now, let's demonstrate the simplicity of canned motor pump disassembly. Thanks to its quick and easy maintenance, usage of canned motor pumps reduces the pump downtime and maintenance cost, therefore maximizing the efficiency of overall ownership. Before the disassembly, make sure the pump is properly fixed in its position and does not move. Loosen the bolts connecting the motor to the pump casing. Slowly remove the volute casing. To remove the impeller, straighten the lock washer of the impeller bolt and remove the bolt. The impeller can now be removed from the shaft. Remove the adjusting washers in case they are present. Undo the bolts holding the front bearing housing and the gasket. Use a jack-up screw in case it is necessary. Once the front bearing housing is removed, be careful as the remaining liquid kept inside the motor may now flow out. The rotor assembly is now free to be slid out. While removing it slowly, be careful not to damage it, especially the stator and rotor liner. Place the rotor assembly into a fixed position to avoid any roll. Remove the bolts attaching the rear bearing housing to the pump motor. The rear bearing housing can now be carefully removed together with the gasket. To disassemble the front bearing, remove the shaft sleeve, thrust collar and pin by hand. Loosen the set screw holding the bearing bushing in place. The bearing bushing is now free to be removed together with the fixing plate. Repeat the same process for the rear bearing. The pump is now disassembled.